Hi there! In this video, we'll learn how to create mix and match promotions in CronySoft. These promotions are automatically applied at the POS when the required quantity is reached. To begin, head on over to the Pricebook and select Mix and Match. Or like I always suggest, use the Smart Search instead. Now at the top here, you'll also see the Summary tab even on Mix and Match. So this will also give you an overview to that section, which will give you a snapshot of all your promotions, including total mix and match deals, promotion with no items added, promotions that haven't generated any sales, and currently active promotions. This makes it easy to identify which promotions may need attention or updates. Below, you'll find the full list of your mix and match deals where you can view details, edit existing promotions, or create new ones. You can also filter, search, and export your promotions for easier management. By heading to the Import section, you will have the option to select the drop-down and select any of the promotions that are from this list. Now let's begin to create a promotion. Click on Add to create a new promotion. Enter a discount name. Next, we're going to select the start date and the end date. This is going to allow the promotions to run only during a specific time. CronySoft supports three types of mix and match discounts. Price. This option sets a fixed promotional price once the required quantity is reached. For example, if a Gatorade is normally $1.99 each and you create a promotion 2 for $3, the system will automatically adjust the price when the second item is scanned. Number 2, percentage. This option applies a percentage discount after the required quantity is reached. For example, if you set a 5% discount on 6 bottles of wine, the first 5 items ring at regular price. When the 6th item is scanned, the system applies the discount. And number 3, which is price difference. This option applies a fixed dollar discount when the required quantity is reached. For example, if you create a promotion such as buy 2 and get 25 cents off, once the second item is scanned, the system reduces the price of each item by that specified amount. Okay, now you're going to click on Add Items. You can search for your products by the name, department, PLU, or even the barcode. Select the items you want to include into the promotions. To make it even quicker, you can scan the product's barcode to add them even faster. Once you have the items added and the settings are complete, you can click to save. Your mix and match promotion is now active. When customers purchase the required quantity at the POS, the discount will now automatically apply. One important setting is the discount on odd items. You can also choose whether the discount applies only to full sets or continues for additional items. For example, if a promotion is 2 for $3, with odd items discounted disabled, the third item rings at a regular price. With odd items discount enabled, the discount continues for additional quantities. So your promotions are now running automatically at checkout. And that's it for the mix and match. Let's proceed with the further video.